Okay, so my second Brooklinen order came today. It just arrived. I'm super excited. I do have it sitting, this box sitting on my bed, which is fine because I'm actually going to, this is the Brooklinen graphite sheet set that I ordered just a few weeks ago. I'm getting ready to take these off the bed and wash them, so that's why this box is sitting on the bed. Otherwise, this box would not be on the bed, but I wanted to just show you that my second Brooklinen order came today, and I want to open this box and show you what I got. So I got 7 pieces. I've got 4 pillowcases, and I got the fitted sheet, and then I have the flat sheet. And then I got another Brooklinen bag, which is super adorable. And then I got my Brooklinen duvet cover, and I got this all in white. So I just wanted to show you my second Brooklinen order just arrived today. So I'm going to wash all of this as well and then dry it and then put it on my bed. Okay, so while we're here, I just want to do a quick update on my laundry room. So I had my washer and dryer stacked on top of each other, as you can see here. They're not original stackable washer and dryer, but the type, because of these are front load washer and dryer, they can be stacked. So I had them stacked just to create more space. And then I also purchased the steamer here. This is a really good system here for steaming your clothes, for sanitizing your clothes and things like that. So that's what that is. And then I went to IKEA and purchased this cabinet here so that I can store my vacuum cleaners, my brooms and dustpans and things like that into that cabinet, so it's not all sitting out. So I'm still not quite finished in here, but I just wanted to show you what my laundry room looks like now, because I know the last time I showed you the laundry room, it did not look like this. I'm also going to have a shelf put up here so that I can put some other things on top there. And I'm thinking about doing a shelf on this wall here. And you can see that this sink was installed a couple of months ago. So I'm doing some stuff around the house as well, and I just wanted to show you the update to my laundry room, but it's not finished. This is just step 1 of the progress, so stay tuned for that. But I've already got my Brooklinen sheets and everything in the washer, so I'm getting ready to wash those. Okay, so here's my bed all made up. I washed the duvet, I washed the sheets and the pillowcases and dried them. And then I kind of like ironed over the duvet so that it's not so wrinkly. And so here are the pillowcases, and I got the sheets on the bed. So this is what it looks like. I think this will be much more comfortable and cooler to sleep on in these spring and summer months, as opposed to the other bedding, the UGG bedding that I had on the bed, and I can just put that back on my bed when it starts to cool off. But yes, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's all nice and fresh and crispy and white, and it smells so good in here because I used the Downy fabric softener. But anyway, this is what my bed looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in.